Yes, Junior 6, let's now start our revision on the ratio. Okay, the first term in the ratio 3 to 5. Yes, as we know, the number we put up is the first, so 3 is the first term here. Number 2, the ratio between the two numbers 6 to 9. Yes, as we know, we can do it by using calculator. Okay, 6 divided by 9, it will be 2 to 3, or you can divide them by 3. Question 3, the ratio between the two numbers 1.6, 1.8. Yes, we can do it by using calculator. It will be 8 to 9 by division them, or we can solve it like this. We have one digit, as we know, before decimal point, so we can times these numbers by 10, so it will be 16 to 18. Divide by 2, it will be 8 to 9. 5 pound 350 piastres in its simplest form, so it will be 500. Yes, because we times this by 100, so it will be here 500 to 350. Divide by 10, because we have two zeros, so it will be 50 to 35. Divide by 5, it will be 10 to 7. Number 5, 2 over 3 and 3/3. Yes, 3 and thirds, so we can, okay, again do it by using calculator. It will be 1 to 5, or we can do it like this. We have here 2 over 3, 2. Yes, as we know, we put this mixed in your calculator. It will be 10 to 3, cross multiplying 3 times 2 6, and 3 times 10 30, so it will now 6 to 30. Divide by 6, it will be 1 to 5. Let's move to the next slide. The ratio between the side length of a square and its perimeter. As we know, the side length, it means 1, and perimeter, it means 4, so it will be 1 to 4. The ratio between side lengths of an equilateral triangle, so it means 1, because side started with side, okay, and equilateral triangle, the perimeter is 3, so it will be 1 to 3. Question of ABC. Write A to B to C at the first. A to B 2 to 3, 2 to 3. B to C 3 to 5, so B takes 3 and C takes 5. Okay, now B has its two numbers, so B can give number to C and number to A. Here it can give C3, or can give here 3 again. It will be 6, 9, 15. Divide by 3, it will be 2 to 3 to 5. Now A to C, it will be 2 to 5. ABC is the same. A, B, C. A to B 2 to 3, B to C 6 to 7. Okay, now B again give 6, C3 and A 6. 2 times 6 12, 3 times 6 18, and 3 times 7 21. Divided by 3, it will be 4 to 6 to 7. So now A to C 4 to 7. At the last question, ABCD is a square, then the ratio between AB and CD. Okay, as we know, AB equals CD, all the sides are equal in square. So if we suppose that AB equal 5 centimeter, for example, so CD equal 5 centimeters, then the ratio between them 5 to 5. Divide by 5, yes, it will be 1 to 1. Even if this number 6 and 6 is the same, divide by 6, so it will be again 1 to 1 because they are equal in length. Yes, the next. The ratio between the two numbers, yes, as we know, first number and second number. The ratio between the two numbers 125 and 25, yes, 125 to 25, yes, divided by 5, so it will be here 25 and 5 divided by 5, it will be 5 to 1. 12, 18, 36, 12, 18, 36, yes, we can divide these numbers by 6, so it will be 2, 3, and 6. Here 5 over 4 and 2, we can put 1 under what? Under the whole number, so it will be now 5 over 4 to 2, yes, over 1 like this, so 1 times 5 equals 5 and 4 times 2 equals 8, so it will be 5 to 8. The question of three numbers together, 1 over 4 to 1 over 3 to 1 over 2, yes, firstly you should multiply all the denominators together. 2 times 3 times 4 equals 24. So again you can multiply 24 by all the fractions. Here 1 over 3 times 24 and 1 over 2 times 24, it will be now 6 and 8 and 12 divided by 2, it will be 3, it will be 4, it will be 6. At the end, ratio A to B 4 to 3, then ratio B to C to 3, find ABC. Again, A, B, C, E to B 4 to 3, and B to C 2 to 3. Here, yes, B gives A 2 and gives C 3 times 4 times 2 8 and 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9. 9 kilometers and 250 meters. Half kilometers, it means half kilometers. So which one is the biggest, kilometer or meters? Yes, kilometers, so I have to multiply it by 1000. Okay, so it will be now 500 and 250 meters divided by 10, so it will be 50 to 25 divided by 5, it will be 10 to 5 divided by 5 again, it will be 2 to 1. 3 weeks, 24 days, the same. We have weeks and days. Which one is the biggest unit? Yes, weeks, so I have to multiply it by 7, so it will be 21 to 24 divided by, yes, 3, it will be 7 to 8. Move to the next question. 3000 grams and 8 kilograms. So we have kilograms and grams, so I have to multiply the biggest unit by the number between them, 1000. So 3000 and 8000. Yes, we can divide these numbers by 1000, so it will be 3 to 8. Skip this. The ratio between 12 carats and 1.25 fiddan, 12 carats and 1.25 fiddans. So which one is the biggest? Yes, actually the fiddans. So multiply it by 24, yes, of course, so it will be 12 to 30. Divide them by 6, so it will be here 2 to 5. How 1 over 8 days, 6 hours, 1 over 2 days. So which one is the biggest? Yes, day. So I have to multiply it by 24 and here by 24. So 1 over 8 times 24, it will be 3 and 6 and 12 divided by 3, it will be 1 to 2 to 4. Consequent of the ratio 3 to 5, yes, as we know, consequent is the second term or the second number. So here is consequent, but the incident, the first one. 16, the ratio between 18 months and 2 years, the same, we have years and month, so years is the biggest, so I have to multiply years by 12 because I have 12 months per year. So now the question will be 18 to 24 divided by 6, it will be 3 to 4. The last one here, 5 over 2, 7 over 2, let's do cross multiplying, so it will be 35 to 4, this answer. The next one, the ratio between Ahmed and Hani, or Hani or Ahmed, I'm sorry, is 5 to 6 if the weight of Ahmed is 60. So let's write now the ratio in the same order. Hani to Ahmed is 5 to 6, and if the weight of Ahmed is 60, so 60 is the number for Ahmed. Okay, so I'll put 60 under Ahmed and cross, so it will be 5 times 60 over 6, so it will be 50 kilograms. This is the weight of what? Of Hani. The next, the ratio between the lengths of the widths of the rectangle 9 to 5 if the perimeter of rectangle is 56. Take care, this is a special case. I said perimeter of rectangle is very important question. So I have to write length to width and sum. Yes, very good. First you should get perimeter divided by 2. Okay, so perimeter, it will be 56 over 2, it will be 28. Okay, so now it's 9 to 5, their sum is 14 and the real sum is 28. To get the length, okay, 28 times 9 over 14, so it will be 18, and width 28 times 5 over 14, it will be 10, and area is centimeter, equal length times width, so equal 10 times 18 equals 1800 centimeters squared. Question 6. The number of pupils in a primary school, first, second grades, is 240. If the ratio among the grades 5, 4, 3, calculate the number of each pupil. Let's first write all the ratios. First, second, third grade, 5 to 4 to 3. Here, yes, this question is sum. Put under the sum what? The sum of them. 5 plus 4, 9, plus 3, 12. And the real sum is what? Yes, it's 240, because this number for all the grades together. So it will be 240. Let's get the first. It will be 240 times 5 over 12. The second, 240 times 4 over 12. And the third by the same way, 240 times 3 over 12. This it will be 100, and it will be 80, and the last one is 60. Let's move the last one. The ratio among the lengths of the sides of triangle is 2 to 3 to 4, and the perimeter of triangle is 36. Mister, can here I divide the perimeter by 2? No, because it's a perimeter of triangle, and as we know, the perimeter of triangle, it means the sum of all lengths of the triangle. So I'll put here first to second to third by the same way, and here sum, here 2 to 3 to 4, and sum is 9, and the real sum here is the perimeter is 36. The second one, 3 times 36 over 9, and the third is 36 times 4 over 9. So the first will be 8, the second will be 12, and the third will be 16. Let's move to the last one. The ratio between the measures of the angles of triangle is 1 to 3. Then find the measure of each of angle. Yes, as we know, we haven't here any number related to sum or difference. Yes, because we have here hidden sum. Why? Because all the angles of any triangle, their sum of the angles is 180. So I will write here the same first, second, third, and 1, 2, 3, and the sum. The sum here is 6, and the real sum is 180. And the first angle 180 times 1 over 6. The second 180 times 2 over 6. And the third 180 times 3 over 6. The first is 30, the second is 60, and the last one is 90. Now we have finished our revision, okay, and we can move to the next revision of parallelogram.